This dance is called Boots and All. It's a 48 count, full wall, intermediate level line dance with 1 tag and 4 restarts. Starting on the right foot with a heel ball cross. So touching the right heel forward, ball cross. Side rock, recover, cross the right behind, left to the side, add on a cross shuffle, hold. That set of steps once more then. Heel ball cross off on the right. 7, 8. Heel ball cross, side rock behind, side cross shuffle, hold. Rock to the side on the left, recover your weight on the right. Cross the left behind the right, right to the side, step forward on that left. Walk forward 2 steps, right, left, into an anchor step, locking that right behind the left, left in place, small step back on that right. That set of steps once more then. Side rock off on the left. 7, 8, side rock, behind side step, walk, walk, anchor step. Add that to the top. Heel ball cross off on the right. 7, 8, heel ball cross, side rock, behind side cross shuffle, hold. Side rock, behind side step, walk, walk, anchor step. So you're going into a full turn over 2 steps. Now with this particular full turn you are going to turn half a turn to the left as you step forward on that left. You're then going to make a further half a turn left as you step the right beside the left. You're then going into some point switches. So you're going to point the right, left to the side, hold. On the and count, you're going to bring the left beside the right, put the right to the side, hitch the right over the left, cross that right over the left. Tap the left back, lift the left slightly, step back on that left. That set of steps once more then. Full turn off on that left. 7, 8, full turn, point, hold and point, hitch, cross, tap and back. Now by virtue of its name, that is a full turn that you're doing right at the very beginning of that section. Should you need to try and take that particular combination out, what you can actually do, step back on the left, then just step the right beside the left, add on your modified points, which is point, hold and point, hitch, cross, tap and back. So non-turning steps, should you need to take that full turn out of that section. Now I will demonstrate that full turn while we're doing the walkthrough. I'll actually be doing the non-turning option of back close when the music is on. I'll still be calling out full turn so you know where it is in the dance. So let's add that to the top. Heel ball cross off on the right. 7, 8, heel ball cross, side rock, behind side cross, shuffle, hold. Side rock, behind side step, walk, walk, anchor step. Full turn, point, hold and point, hitch, cross, tap and back. Rock back on the right, recover your weight on the left. Turn a quarter left as you chasse to the right, so a quarter turn, close the side. Rock back on the left, recover your weight on the right, step the left to the side, cross the right behind the left, then cross the left back over the right. So a side behind cross. That set of steps once more then, back rock off on the right. 7, 8, back rock, turn chasse, back rock, side and cross. Add that to the top. Heel ball cross off on the right. 7, 8, heel ball cross, side rock, behind side cross, shuffle, hold. Side rock, behind side step, walk, walk, anchor step. Full turn, point, hold and point, hitch, cross, tap and back. back, rock, turn chasse, back, rock, side and cross. Step the right to the side, hold the and count, you bring the left beside the right. Step the right to the side again, touch the left beside the right. Make a quarter turn left as you step forward on that left. Further quarter of turn left as you step the right to the side, into a left coaster step and back close step. That set of steps once more then, side hold and side touch up on the right. 7, 8, side hold and side touch, turn, turn, coaster step. Add that to the top. Heel ball cross off on the right. 7, 8, heel ball cross, side rock, behind side cross, shuffle, hold, side rock, behind side step, walk, walk, anchor step, full, turn, point, hold and pointage, cross, tap and back, back, rock, turn chasse, back, rock, side and cross, side, hold and side, touch, turn, turn, coaster step. Rock forward on the right, recover your weight on the left. On the and count, you're going to step back on that right. Touch the left beside the right, step forward on the left. Step the right forward, twist your feet or heels to the right, then back to centre, then rock back on the right, and recover your weight on the left. And that set of steps once more, then forward rock off on that right. 7, 8, forward rock and touch, step, step, twist, twist, back, rock. End of the dance. When we get to that point, let's put it all together. Heel ball cross off on the right. 7, 8, heel ball cross, side rock, behind side cross, shuffle, hold, side rock, behind side step, walk, walk, anchor step, full, turn, point, hold and pointage, cross, tap and back, back, rock, turn chasse, back, rock, side and cross, side, hold and side, touch, turn, turn, coaster step, forward, rock and touch, step, step, twist, twist, back, rock. That's your dance. I'll now go through it with the counts. Heel ball cross off on the right. 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, hold 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. So hopefully that gives you a bit of a feel for the timing of the dance. Now it is a 4-wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Heel ball cross off on the right. 7, 8, heel ball cross, side rock, behind side cross, shuffle, hold, side rock, behind side step, walk, walk, anchor step, full, turn, point, hold and pointage, cross, tap and back, back, rock, turn chasse, back, rock, side and cross, side, hold and side, touch, turn, turn, coaster step, forward, rock and touch, step, step, twist, twist, back, rock, heel ball cross, side rock, behind side cross, shuffle, hold, side rock, behind side step, walk, walk, anchor step, full, turn, point, hold and pointage, cross, back and tap, back, rock, turn chasse, back, rock, side and cross, side, hold and side, touch, turn, turn, coaster step, forward, rock and touch, step, step, twist, twist, back, rock, heel ball cross, side rock, behind side cross, shuffle, side rock, behind side step, walk, walk, anchor step, full turn, point, and point it cross, tap and back, back rock, turn chassé, back rock, side and cross, side and side touch, turn, turn, coaster step, forward rock and touch, step, step, twist, twist, back rock. So that's your dance. Now, there are 4 restarts and a tag in this dance. You basically have a restart on walls 2, 3, 4 and 6. On wall 5, you have your tag. So they are consecutive walls. So once you've done your first wall all the way through, you know your next 5 walls have got something going on in them. So your restarts will occur in 2 different places. For wall 2, it's after 44 counts. On wall 3, it's after 32 counts. On wall 4, it's after 44 counts again. You then have your tag at the end of wall 5, and then on wall 6, it's after 32 counts. So wall 2 is your 3 o'clock wall. You dance 44 counts, you restart facing 6 o'clock. That becomes wall 3. So you start dancing wall 3, 32 counts into wall 3, you will restart. You will be facing 3 o'clock. That will be your wall 4. You dance 44 counts, you get back to 6 o'clock and you restart. That is wall 5. You dance the whole of wall 5, which means you'll be doing your tag facing 9 o'clock. That then becomes wall 6. You dance wall 6, 32 counts of wall 6, you restart facing 6 o'clock again. So I'm going to tell you what your tag is to start with. Like we said, you'll be doing your tag facing 9 o'clock. You'll tag quite simply, step the right to the side, touch the left beside the right, left to the side, touch the right beside the left. That is your tag. 1, 2, 3, 4, single count timing. So that's the end of wall 5. So what we're actually going to do is we're going to dance walls 3, 4 and 5, so you can see where the 2 different restart points fit in and the tag, and then just restart on wall 6 just so that you can see how that happens once you've actually done your tag. So just so you know exactly where they're going to crop up, 44 counts will take you to your very last section where you'll actually be doing your forward rock, back, touch, step. That's 44 counts, that's your restart point. 32 counts takes you to that section where you've done your back rock, your quarter, turning chassé, your back rock, your side, behind, cross. That is your restart point. So that is your 32 counts. So wall 3 is 32 counts, starts at 6 o'clock. So we're going to dance wall 3, wall 4, all of wall 5, add the tag, restart wall 6. Here we go, heel ball cross off on the right. 7, 8, heel ball cross, side rock, behind side cross, shuffle, hold. Side rock, behind side step, walk, walk, anchor step. Full, turn, point, hold and point, hitch, cross, tap and back. Back, rock, turn, chassé, back, rock, side and cross. Restart, heel ball cross, side rock, behind side cross, shuffle, hold. Side rock, behind and step, walk, walk, anchor step. Full, turn, point, hold and point, hitch, cross, tap and back. Back, rock, turn, chassé, back, rock, side and cross. Side, hold and side, touch, turn, turn, coaster step. Forward rock and touch step, restart, heel ball cross, side rock, behind side cross, shuffle, hold, side rock, behind and step, walk, walk, anchor step, full, turn, point, hold and point, hitch, cross, tap and back, back, rock, turn chasse, back, rock, side and cross, side, hold and side, touch, turn, turn, coaster step, forward, rock and touch, step, step, twist, twist, back, rock, tag, side, touch, heel ball cross, side, rock, behind, side, cross, shuffle. So hopefully you can see how those tags and restarts fit in. So I did go through that quite slowly, it's not at the speed of the music. So that is it. That is your dance, your walkthrough, your tag and restart information. Let's give it a go to the music. 5, 6, 7, 8. Heel cross, side right, you want to cross your back. Slide rock behind the step, walk, back a step. One, turn, point, cross, from the back. Rock, turn, chasse, back, rock, side across, side, touch, turn, coast, step, forward, rock, and tap, step, step, twist, twist, back, rock. Heel cross, you restart ball. Side rock, behind the step, walk, back a step, point, turn, point, across, tap and back, rock, turn, chasse, back, rock, side across, side, touch, turn, coast to step, forward rock, and tap, but restart, heel and cross, your next restart wall, side rock, behind the step, walk, back a step, rock, turn, point, cross, tap and back, rock, turn, chasse, back, rock, side rock, restart, heel and cross, your next restart wall, side rock, full turn, back rock, side, forward off, restart, heel and cross, side rock, tag wall, full turn, back rock, side, forward rock, tag, side, touch, heel and cross, the next restart wall. Restart, heel and cross. Hope you managed that one.